Can Philips TV AirPlay? Philips TVs support AirPlay, but the availability depends on the model and operating system. AirPlay is an Apple feature that allows users to stream content from iPhones, iPads, and Mac devices directly to a compatible TV. While some Philips TVs come with built-in AirPlay support, others may require third-party solutions like streaming devices. Understanding the compatibility and setup process can help users enjoy seamless wireless streaming on their Philips TV. 1. AirPlay compatibility on Philips TVs. Philips TVs running on Android TV or Roku OS do not have built-in AirPlay support, but newer models with Google TV may include this feature. Some Philips Ambilight TVs also come with AirPlay 2 integration, allowing direct streaming from Apple devices. Checking the TV specifications or settings menu can confirm whether AirPlay is supported. 2. Using AirPlay without built-in support. If a Philips TV does not support AirPlay natively, users can still enable it using external devices. Apple TV, Roku, and certain Fire TV models offer AirPlay functionality, allowing wireless streaming from Apple devices. Alternatively, third-party apps available on Android TV can act as an AirPlay receiver, though the performance may vary. 3. How to use AirPlay on a Philips TV. Step 1. Ensure that both the Philips TV and the Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. If the TV supports AirPlay, enable it by going to Settings, then AirPlay and HomeKit and turning it on. Step 3. On an Apple device, open the content to stream and tap the AirPlay icon. Step 4. Select the Philips TV from the list of available devices to start streaming. 4. Troubleshooting AirPlay issues. If AirPlay is not working on a Philips TV, first check the internet connection and restart both devices. Ensure that AirPlay is enabled in the TV settings and that the Apple device is updated to the latest software version. For TVs without native AirPlay support, using an Apple TV or a compatible streaming device can provide a reliable solution. Philips TVs can support AirPlay, but compatibility varies by model. Checking for built-in support or using an external device can enable smooth streaming from Apple devices. Setting up AirPlay correctly ensures a seamless viewing experience.